faucet, a drain with a plug, another filtrated somewhat system here, places here, and underneath this would either be direct to a floor drain. So what happens is when your plumber comes in to do the installation, he would provide the water supply to your hot and cold. As you turn it on, you wash your hands, you shut it off, you come down. It would be an ABS pipe, usually up to here or a little lower. The residual water from the top basin will come down and then drain into your floor. Now, why do we have this? Is so when your staff is washing the floor and they're done using whatever residual water, dirty water they use, the mop bucket can be clean, you put the mop down, release the head, and then literally use this to drain the water. And that's the function of the mop stick.